Something tells me that you're ready to manifest a brand new MacBook. You've come to the right place. Lucky for you, because I know how to do that. That's not exactly what I was referring to. We won't be doing any type of witchcraft, no type of conjuring over here. No, this is not it. This is not what we're doing in order to manifest a MacBook. By now, I'm sure you've heard and seen and smelled and tasted all of the different billions of tips and tricks there are in order to manifest your desires, but I guarantee there's nothing like this tip or trick. Let's get into it. It's called the Walker's Quantum Merging Method. So before we get started, it all starts really with the decision that you desire a new MacBook, or you can have the MacBook be new to you. Whatever you decide, it's yours. You just want to get clear on what you want it to look like, what you want it to feel like when you're using it. Do you want accessories, new or used? What exactly is it going to feel like for you to have a new MacBook? Keep in mind, we're trying to manifest this in 2 hours. So if you were to get it in 2 hours, which features on the MacBook, what accessories would make you the happiest? Next, we're going to be using our imagination. Our imagination is what is able to create our desires. And so what better way to create them and to bring them into form than to get creative and start imagining? You'll need a nice, quiet space for this meditation. We're going to start by inhaling for 4 seconds. Exhaling for 6, and we're going to repeat 3 times. We're going to imagine ourselves in total darkness. Imagine that the MacBook that you desire is a giant in the center of the void. Intimidate the MacBook, cuss it out, fight it, punch it, whatever. It's your imagination. The more you intimidate your MacBook, the smaller it's going to become in your imagination. This removes it from the pedestal. If you don't come into form now, I'll find something better. With each bully affirmation, imagine the MacBook getting smaller until it's about its regular size. And now you can see the MacBook getting its feelings hurt and running off to come into form. Meditation complete. We don't have to figure out the how or the when. That's not our business. Your consciousness always knows the perfect way or the perfect solution to help you get what you want. It's okay to feel hesitant. Just don't allow your feelings to make your decisions for you. What are you going to do now that your MacBook is being processed and ready for pickup or delivery? Anytime you freak out, it's okay. It's here, and it's all about what you're choosing to reflect. I envisage that you get this MacBook of your dreams in the next 2 hours or sooner. Tag and share with a friend who's been saying they need a new MacBook. Till next time.